gun, particularly the AK, when you're shooting full auto, okay, put your weight on your left foot, lean forward, bend at the hip, and get your shoulders forward too, so you're really leaning into it, alright? That keeps you, 90% of your weight's in the front foot. That keeps you from doing this, okay?
Yeah, fair enough.
This one's not bad. The T36 and the AK will rock your ass if you're not.
Hey, well, that's what I'm here for, right?
Alright, so.
Alrighty.
There's that.
Give me a second. Okay. As soon as this is over, no, that's completely understand.
There. Right, and then you can just press this button right here and it's your bolt release, just like an AR. That is particular to the 40 cal and 10 millimeter.
No, it's supposed to be a,
That is
like a
phenomenal.
swinger.
I feel
Shot
super
the
safe.
It's a swinger on the other dude, so it just swings around now.
I gotta try that.
I mean,